I am Dr. Dilip, Assistant Professor in Department of Physics, RV College of Engineering. In this video, we are going to learn the experiment Volume Resonator. The main aim of this experiment is to determine the frequency of the unknown tuning fork using the volume resonator. The major operators required are aspirator bottle, tuning forks, rubber band, beaker, measuring jar. So the main principle involved in this experiment is that the resonator is a device used to analyze the complex note of sound, that is to determine the particular frequencies present in the given note, that is which is inside the air column of the aspirator bottle. When the natural frequency of the vibrating air column matches with the frequency of the external periodic force frequency, that is the frequency from the tuning fork, then the resonance occurs. That resonance occurs, we call it as what? The note point.
Now we should perform the experiment with the apparatus physically. This is aspirator bottle filled with the water up to the neck level, and this is the beaker just kept below the nozzle drop. Next, this one is the measuring jar. This is the rubber pad. We are given with the 3 tuning forks with known frequencies which is known to us, and one more tuning fork which is unknown to us, for which we need to find out the frequency of this tuning fork. First we shall do the experiment for the frequencies for the tuning forks which are known to us. First, orderly arrange these tuning forks which are known to us in the decreasing order. This is 512, one tuning fork, 426 another tuning fork, and 341 Hz another tuning fork. Let us perform the experiment for the tuning fork which is known to us, which is 512 Hz. We have to note it down in the tabular column. We have to hit this prongs onto the rubber band very gently and place it upon this neck. We should not touch this one, we should place it upon there. Initially we have to leave the water by the tap. We have to open the tap for small quantity, then we have to place it there above the neck. Then release some more water till you get the resonance sound. You have to place the prongs, release some more water, place it there, release some more water. You will get the maximum resonance sound when the resonance matches with the frequency of tuning fork and the frequency of the air column. Little increased. Release some more water. Release small quantity of water. Maximum wave sound is hearing now. Release some more water so that we can check any further resonance sound is there. Little bit decreased, and the time what you have to do, you pour some around 10 ml of water back into this aspirator bottle, then recheck it again. This is the maximum point where we got the resonance sound. Now what you have to do, you have to keep it there. Take the beaker, using the measuring jar, you have to measure the volume of the water. The volume of the water measured to be around 50, 55, 60 ml. This is the 60 ml of the water collected for the first trial by using the tuning fork of 512 Hz. Similarly, you have to do for second trial.
After taking the readings for the different known tuning forks in different trials, we are going to get the volume of the water collected in the beaker, and that it has to be measured in terms of milliliter. That we can take it as centimeter cube. Trial 1, trial 2, that has to be converted into meter cube. That will be equal to 10 power minus 6 meter cube. The mean value of this one, that is the average value of this volume collected for different trials of the known tuning fork, will be taken, and we have to take the value for f square into v. F is the frequency of tuning fork, v is the average volume of the water collected for the different known tuning forks. So after finding out this one, this f square value will be almost getting constant for the different tuning forks. Then average value of f square v will be found out. Then that value you have to take in the formula given there, that is fx. Fx is nothing but the frequency of the unknown tuning fork, that will be equal to square root of s square into v average divided by vx. Vx is the volume of the water collected for the known tuning fork, that which is unknown tuning fork, for which we have to find out the frequency. So here f square v value will be from this tabular column. Next, V is the volume of the water collected for the unknown tuning fork. You have to do the substitution, do the calculation, and get the result. Finally, you are going to get the frequency of the unknown tuning fork. So this is about this experiment. Thank you.